Tonight's video is brought to you in HD thanks to the wonders of pukedick.com.
You should have been here on time today. This party started at 5:30 when I lit the goddamn hogs for the goddamn fireworks guys tonight. Jason, I hope you guys are ready back there. How you girls do on the split the pot tonight? Everybody get their split the pot tickets? We want to take this time right now, a couple minutes. You know me, I always get up here and chew on this damn microphone for a while and say stupid shit and piss everybody off like always. But while I'm talking, I want everybody, if you got a light on, turn it off. Because we got one hell of a fireworks show for you here tonight. Who the hell was that? Oh, go to hell, Cammy. That's my damn brother. He's a pain in the ass. Go back to Florida. Ain't you got goddamn cheese conies tonight? We have. Whoa, what's going on there? That's getting awful loud. I don't know what. Hey, there's steps. Come on back around here. We got steps. We got a We got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spokesperson from the fireworks company. Wants to say a few words. We got more music after the fireworks tonight. We got Doc Joe's band. I forget the name of it, but I think it has something to do with Dwight Yokum and Aurora or something. Well, take a picture of me, this pretty girl. I don't get very many pictures like it. Here she is.
I just want to thank everyone for coming out to the Yokum Fireworks. Woo! All right, Yokum! Woo! If you did not get your Split the Pot tickets, you can get them after the show for only about 10-15 minutes because we're going to do the first drawing. So look on your tickets and see if you have the winning number. We're going to wait about 5 minutes after we call the number. But thank you again for being here. Enjoy the show. Jason Lewis, my brother, you rock. Thank you.
Hey, Carrie, can you make the center one hot? Because I got to unplug this thing. Please. Thank you.
Here you are, goddamn Steve, bossing me around. Sounds like Hedrick. Hey, I want to thank everybody that helps put this little party on. All my friends, my family that come down tonight. And I got a bunch of them. I got a bunch of friends. But anyhow, we had a group of fellas come over Thursday night. The buddy of mine, Jimmy Walton's over in Kentucky, Thursday, and we slaughtered some hogs. And, well, I had to show them how to do it. I thought them guys from Kentucky knew how to kill a hog, but I guess they don't. But they do now because this old boy from Indiana went over there and showed them old boys how to kill a hog, and they come over here today. Woo! They come over here today and they cooked that hog. It was here almost on time this morning after I cut my finger getting the damn grill ready. But anyhow, boy, that thing turned out real good. And we fed the fireworks guys today. And I want to thank my friends over here in the middle, that my Indiana friends that fed the fireworks guys. I'll tell you what, you guys don't know what these guys put into this show. Besides all the money they spend, because what they do is they work all year for free, and they take all the money they make, and they put it into this show for you people to enjoy. They've been up here probably maybe 10 times through the summer, measuring and shooting things off and getting all their cues right. I mean, they put so much time effort and money into this show. It's incredible. I always thought, you know, when they came in the past, I never paid attention to them. They just come up here and did their deal and everything. But I started paying attention to them the last couple of years at the work that these guys put into this to put a show on for you tonight. They came up here last Saturday. We had a little rain. They set up in there in the barn for about 12 hours, wiring all these shells together and getting everything ready. And then Sunday morning, they was up here at 7 o'clock and started putting racks out there in the field. And then they showed up back Wednesday, and they've been here since Wednesday, about 20 of them, working their asses off. I'll tell you what, this is a big deal. And they don't charge us anything other than t-shirts and coolie cups and split the pot, whatever kind of donations you guys put out. And it means a lot to me, it means a lot to them. They do this for their friends, and I know I got a lot of my friends that come down here and enjoy this too. So I want everybody to help them out, because as you all know, I quit doing Farm Fest after 20 years. I gave up on that because it got too much and it got too damn big. Well, this damn thing's almost out of control again. But anyhow, they wanted to do this. This is their gig. It's their deal. But them like me, if they don't get enough support from the crowd, they're going to quit on it too. And we don't want that to happen, do we?
Okay, get your shit removed.
Opened up our fireworks show for many, many years. Blair Card, winner of American Idol 4 years in a row. I think she was over in Europe. She won 2 or 3 big deals over there. I think she's a multi-gazillionaire, I don't know. But she found time in her schedule to come over here tonight to open up our fireworks show, like always, with the National Anthem. I want everybody to stand up. I want to get all these lights off in the campers, if we can at this time. Stand up, put your heart on your chest. I want you to think about all our servicemen all around the world, keeping us safe so we can enjoy the American way.
I think he's had one too many.
We got to take time for photo op. I think we're going to be on CBS and NBC in the morning.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
Now you guys, I know anybody's been coming here for a long time know that I get all sappy. It's been a hard week for me. Very hard. I've lost a lot of friends this week. And most of you in the crowd probably know those close friends like I do. Tony Carter, 49 years old, passed away Sunday unexpectedly. We buried him yesterday. And a great friend of a great friend of mine, or a dad, a father of a great friend of mine that's always been there for me for 30 years, Bob Weber, passed away yesterday. And today, another fella that taught me a lot 30 years ago when I was getting going and kind of coached me along, was just a friend of mine, Mick Pope, Mark Pope's father. He passed away today.
Yes, Mick passed away at 3:30 this afternoon. Yeah, I wasn't going to spoil the fireworks. I didn't know he knew Mick. I was going to make sure you all knew. I talked to the press. They're going to the funeral home tomorrow. Everybody got in town except for Pam. She's out there.
We're going to think about them tonight, for me, if you would. My friends, teachers, and we all have them. We all have friends, teachers that have helped us along the way to get where we're at. I don't know why I did this. What is it? So you guys know I'm always thinking about my dad and my brother. You know, they passed away a couple of years ago. Dick and Dad. They've always been a big part of all the parties that we put on, a big part of my life. And always there for us. It's all about your family and your friends that put you where you are and make you who you are. I want to give a big hell yeah for all my goddamn friends, present and past. Come on, do it for me. Oh, that was weak. One more time, come on, put your heart into it, please. All right, all sappy bullshit behind me. Are you guys ready for a fireworks show? Oh, shut up. Jason, you ready?